Today's Tips du Jour mailbag question comes to us from Hawaii. Robert, I got a little blowout on the peg head when drilling the tuner holes. Everything is covered by the tuner except for a small amount. Is there a way to fix this? Mark in Hawaii. Well, Mark, aloha, and thank you very much for your question. It seems that no matter how hard we try to avoid that, sometimes that peg head wood just wants to blow out. There is a way to fix it. Let's go over the bench. I'll show you how. So Mark, a student, came in to build a guitar with me this week, and he had a little bit of chip out, a little blowout on these two tuner holes right here. Now, we're using ebony as our peg head veneer, so this is a pretty easy fix. What I'm going to use is the Glue Boost Fill and Finish in the black formula. Add a small amount there, hit it with the Glue Boost accelerator, and that will completely solve the problem. So here we go. You always want to make sure that you shake the black fill and finish before you use it. Add a little amount there, add a little bit here, and then hit it with the Glue Boost accelerator. If you need to, come in and add more layers here until you get it built up to where you need it. So once the Glue Boost black fill and finish has cured, then I come in with just a hard block as a backing pad and some sandpaper and just level it. There we go. Under a finish, that will completely disappear and nobody will know the difference. And we are sworn to secrecy. So Mark, I agree that that's probably one of the easiest fixes to do. The peghead veneer was ebony. Ebony is a very forgiving wood, easy to work with. If that were a lighter colored wood or a different species of wood, I probably just would have removed it, hand planed it off of there, put a new veneer on there, and then drilled my holes again, this time making sure not to get any blowout. So, happy building.